Good afternoon, Yorktown, and welcome to The Court, the afternoon web show produced by 6th graders at Mildred E. Strang Middle School. Today is May 11th, 2015. Let's start the show by getting an update on the afternoon weather conditions with our student meteorologist.
Hello, Yorktown. I'm student meteorologist Kyle. The time is now 12:30 and the temperature outside is 79 degrees. As you can see from the parking lot behind me, we're experiencing partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of precipitation. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks for the update, kids. Now we're going to try our best to put a smile on your face with the jokes of the day.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and here are some jokes you can tell the next time you're in a situation that requires you to tell some jokes. What do ghosts eat for supper? Spaghetti. What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. Back to you in the studio.
Nice job, kids. Let's go get to know one of the students here at MESMS.
My name's Rohan.
Go.
My favorite part about the middle school is probably the lockers and the freedom between each periods. My favorite subject in school is probably science because of all the experiments we do and the projects. My favorite hobby outside of school is basketball because ball is life. 3 words to describe me is probably tall, funny, and logical. My favorite website is YouTube because there's like any video you can pretty much watch. I'll be a pediatrician when I grow up because my dad's one and it seems really cool. That's all about me. Back to the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now let's improve our vocabulary with the word of the day.
Hi, my name is Rebecca, and welcome to the segment dedicated to improving your vocabulary, the word of the day. Today's word is perishable. Perishable is an adjective. Perishable is defined as likely to spoil or decay. Short-lived and fleeting are synonyms for perishable. In a sentence, perishable can be used like this. You must keep perishable foods chilled or they will spoil. Perishable. Can you use it today?
Thanks, kids. We asked some kids in the hall what breakfast food best represents who they are. Let's see what they had to say.
The breakfast food that best represents me is pancakes because it flips me right up.
The breakfast food that best represents me is sunny side up eggs because I'm always happy.
The breakfast food that best represents me is pancakes because my face is round.
The breakfast food that best represents me is Lucky Charms because I'm a lucky person.
The breakfast food that best describes me is bacon because it's sizzling just like me. The breakfast food that best represents me is a Cinnabon because it's sweet just like me.
Okay, the best breakfast food that represents me is Cheerios because they're sweet like me.
The breakfast food that best represents me is yogurt because it's cool like me.
The breakfast that best represents me is a pancake because I'm well-rounded.
The breakfast food that best represents me is a donut because I am sweet all around.
Thanks, kids. Here at Strang Middle School, we do our best to be safe, responsible, and respectful throughout the day. Here's a quick tip on how you can be your best.
Hello, Yorktown. Today's quick tip is about being responsible in the hallway at MESMS. One way you can be responsible is by closing your lock on your locker. Remember, the easy way isn't always the right way. When you're put to the test, try your hardest and be your best.
Great job, kids. Now, let's go to Today in History.
Hi, my name is Kenny. Now I'm going to share some fun facts and events that took place on this day in history. On this day in 1858, Minnesota became the 32nd state in the United States. This theme, we're going to focus today's fun facts on the United States. Did you know that Hawaii is the only royal place in the United States? Did you know that Alaska has the longest coastline in the United States? Thanks for watching today's Did You Know? Hopefully, now you know.
Thanks, kids. Now, let's go to the lesson of the day.
Today's lesson is from science. Today in science class, we learned about the Mohs-Hardness scale. The Mohs-Hardness scale is a scale that shows the hardness of different minerals. The scale is between 1 and 10, 10 being the hardest and 1 being the softest. A mineral that is higher on the scale will scratch a mineral on the lower scale, but a mineral on the lower scale will not scratch one higher on the scale.
I want to thank everyone who contributed to today's show. Please join us again tomorrow. And until then, remember to be safe, responsible, and respectful. Have a great afternoon.
Bye.